Two contracts short. Up 60, up 80, up 90, up 100. Seeing how weak Nvidia is. Nvidia is about to flip red. Down up 200. Could bounce here as well. ES is still above the VWAP. Very late short, by the way. Could bounce. Down 100, down 200, two contract short. I haven't gotten a funded Apex count. But I'm phasing them out regardless. Okay, it's dropping. Nvidia just turned red. Up 180, up 200, up 300. Waiting for the wick down, waiting for the wick down. Tesla's about to flip red. Very nice.
Order submitted.
Risk-free trade. We'll trail this down. Up 500. Give me this max room. I want to see this fall a lot. Taking one off.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Give me a little room.
Order filled.
Ah, stopped out. Up 318 that count. Could have taken that 6, but I honestly thought it would fall. I really thought it was going to fall, to be honest. I was incorrect. A lot of consolidation, a lot of coil off the ES. Nvidia pumping up. Tesla pumping up. Could have been manipulation up, send this down. Manipulation both ways. ES is now above the 200 SMA again. Ten seconds till the 15-minute opening range. Looks like it's gonna wick up to the 20 MA. ES is above the VWAP. 100 MA, 200 SMA. Thank you. 30 minutes about to tap its VWAP. 5 points away from the 21 EMA touch. Appreciate it, Unknown. Have a great day. Tapping the 20 May. Straight down. Very big wick down. Whatever that was. Marask reopens imports for Israel port of Haifa. Not a Trump tweet. Very interesting. ES is still above the VWAP, but I do think this wants to come down. Pretty strong bullish wicks on NQ 5 minute if it can pump. Yeah, it's trying to pump above the VWAP. Tesla, Google, very close to flipping red. Apple's down 0.8%. Palantir's up 3.2%. Nvidia's currently up 0.5% on the day.
Order filled.
It was too short. Could be a fake out. Just gonna take it. Google, Tesla flipping red. Nvidia starting to come down. I also like how weak the NQ 30 minute is. Cook coil could bounce to the 20 May, could bounce to that pivot point. Not the greatest entry. Up 60, up 100, or 20. Want to see a flush down. He is still above that VWAP. Up 200, up 400. Scalping 5. Go here. Good luck, trades. It's still using that range. Still using that range. I think it's going to flush lower, but ES has not broken that VWAP yet. Let me...
Order filled.
And with 2 short, looking for this range break, up 60. I want the ES to flush through the VWAP, want this to flush through the range, could get a bounce. Struggling. Being stubborn. Up 80. Trying to break through the range. Has bullish legs. ATR's at 18. Probably gonna bounce. I want to see the ES reject the VWAP right here. Looks like it's gonna round up. Up 200, up 250, 300, and scalping 5. All right, now we're up, back up. We reclaimed losses in that Apex count. Now we're up 189 in that account. Very solid. I do think it's coming lower, but I'm not going to hold it. A lot of consolidation, a lot of coiling going on here, and I don't like it. It should fall, fill these gaps, but a lot of shoulds don't always come to fruition. Morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, Grover? You guys are enjoying the stream, gaining value, learning what to do, what not to do. If you're enjoying this high intensity trading, this is on low volatility too. Imagine a high volatility day. Please smash that like button, follow the channel, subscribe. After you subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm live every single day at 9:30 a.m. EST for market open. So smash that notification bell, smash the like button. Likes are looking a lot weak. They're looking weak, boys. And everyone on the YouTube short stream, I'm streaming on YouTube and YouTube Shorts. If you want a more comprehensive overall view of what I'm doing, NQ 2-minute chart, NQ 5-minute chart, more accounts, actually seeing the account profits, click my profile, go to the regular YouTube stream. I'm streaming on YouTube and YouTube Shorts. ES wicking down, rejecting off the VWAP, and Q rejecting that range. Let's go. Good job, NFT. Good conviction. Good job, NFT. Nvidia flip red, Tesla down 0.4%, Google down 0.35%. Apple down 0.5%, MicroStrategy down 0.2%, and Q is sitting up 0.1%, ES is sitting up 0.25%. Bitcoin's down 0.4% on the day, and ES getting a bounce back up to the VWAP. Next news is in 8 minutes. 8 minutes until U.S. pending home sale change month over month. U.S. pending home sale index, and then we'll just stay there. 10 a.m. EST in 8 minutes. ES trying to get above the VWAP again. Appreciate it, NFT. Good morning, guy. Likes are very weak, guys. Please smash that like button. We're getting back in that range. May wake up to the 20. May we have that pivot point to the upside at 22,542. Pivot point to the downside at 22,462. We'll see, chat. IAEA. As of now, the IAEA hasn't received an official communication from Iran on any decision to suspend cooperation. Good job, NFT. Tapping the 21 EMA, ES above the VWAP. May do a V-shaped recovery now. Google's still red, Apple's still red, MicroStrategy is still red, Tesla's still red. Nvidia flipped back green 0.25%. The VIX volatility index is negative 0.6% for the day. The Dow is up 0.4% for the day. Tapping the 20 EMA now. We've bounced 40 points. This could be the V-shaped recovery. Could be. What's up, Boris? Good morning, good morning, good morning. ES rejecting the VWAP again. Need to stay above it. Nvidia is now up 0.45%. Starting to believe this V-shaped recovery a little bit more. Still thinking it wants to fill the gap. It was 10 points away from filling yesterday's close. And we are gapped up around 50 points currently. Yesterday's close was at 22,461. Urals, oil prices, and Russia ports fall below the price cap on the weaker Brent. 4 minutes. 4 minutes until U.S. U.S. pending home sales at 10 a.m. EST in 4 minutes. ES climbing above the VWAP, climbing above the 100 MA, about to tap the 200 SMA. NQ getting above that 50% retracement on the fib, getting above the 20 MA. NQ 5 minute edging towards tapping its 21 MA. NQ 30 minute tapping the VWAP on the NQ 30 minute chart. Google, Tesla getting close to flipping green. Appreciate it, KJ. Oris, if it happens, it happens. What NQ contract are you on? I'm on NQ on TradingView, and my NQ chart is dropping while yours is going up. Paid, make sure you're on the right. Make sure you're on NQ09-25. NQ09-25. On TradingView, it should just be the regular one. But make sure you are not on 06-25. Make sure you're on the up-to-date one. Price is currently at 22,532. 532, 33, 34, 35, 35, 35, 35, 36, 36, 38. News is coming out in 1 minute. Tapping that pivot point at 22,542. ES getting above the 100 MA VWAP and 200 SMA now. Q5 minute getting above the 20 May do a full V-shape recovery real quick. Pre-market high 22,585. 30 seconds till news. And Q30 minute getting above the VWAP. $20 seconds. $20 seconds, chat. Be careful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give it a minute. It's going up, 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 up. Wake up, wake up. In with one short. Only one. Up 70, up 80, up 100. Scalping 130. I think it may do a full V-shape recovery to the pre-market high, so I'm not holding that. U.S. pending home sale index, actual 72.6, forecasted nothing. Previously it was 71.3. U.S. pending home sale change month over month, actual 1.8%, forecasted to be 0.13%, so that's positive for the day. Next news is at 10:30 in 30 minutes, 10:30 a.m. EST in 30 minutes, EIA natural gas change. You're up, 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 and away, chat.
Order filled.
And with too long, may drop down back to that pivot point. But it is very strong, so give this a chance. Down 300, down 400, it's fine. Down 10 points. Could drop a lot.
Order
And with
filled.
one more and 3 contracts along, I want to see this continue up. Drop it down, down 400. Q5 minute could prop down back to the 20 May. That is at 22,538. Coinciding with that pivot point, basically. I like how strong everything is. Now 500. Needs to break through this range. I want to see a quick break of this range. Needs to break it quick. Projecting. Projecting. Has a chance. ATR's at 20. I want to see it break quick. ES is rounding up. Trying to break through. It is struggling. Nvidia is up percent. There's a decent chance of it hitting the highs. I'll deleverage a couple for that. Up 100. $150, 200. Scalping. Just gonna take it out. It's hesitating too much. I want to hold that for the flush, but hesitating too much. We scalped 100. Yeah, I think it's just going to wait through this range. I don't even know if it's going to pull back, to be honest. ES is starting to pull back. Pretty strong right now. Nvidia's climbing, climbing, climbing. Google, Amazon flipping back green. Tesla flipping back green. MicroStrategy about to flip green. I think it's about to flush the highs of pre-market at 22,585. Appreciate it, Drew. Starting to prop above that range. NQ30 man looking more and more bullish. NQ5 man looking beautiful. ES consolidating, coiling up above the 200 SMA, 100 MA, and VWAP. You guys are learning, gaining any value, please smash that like button. Likes are looking very weak, guys. Can we get 50 likes? Can we get 80 likes? Can we get 100 likes? Smash that like button. And if you're new, follow, subscribe to the channel. We are live every single day at 9:30 a.m. EST for market open. Trying to come down. Appreciate it, NFT. Appreciate you. Appreciate the support. Yes, trying to come down. It broke back in the range. We have that pivot point, 22,542. Let's see how it respects it. We have the 20 MA below that. It's propping above the 764 fib. Appreciate the follow, trading. Appreciate the follow, okay. Tapping the pivot point. Thank you. 5-minute tap into the 21 EMA. ES getting close to the 200 SMA, bouncing off the pivot point. If you guys also want to go above and beyond, we have super chats on YouTube and at realsuperchat.com. TTS is $1. Realsuperchat.com. Super chats are kind of criminal. I don't know how the Apple Store and stuff get away with it. We're about to take long. But if you donate via Apple on mobile, Apple takes 30% of the initial amount. Then the remaining amount you takes 30%, and you're left with 50%. They take 50%. So you donate $10, they will take $5. It is insane. Absolutely insane. We are getting a bounce on that pivot point currently. I would have liked this to happen at the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. It happened at the 21 EMA on the 5-minute. See if we can break through the range. The resistance of the trend line right here. Guys, there's fair value gaps all over this. This is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. This is a fair value gap. ES looking weak. Tesla flipping red. Trying to break through that pivot point. Pre-market high at 22,585. ES bouncing off the 200 SMA. Trying to bounce. Low. What's up, chicken? Good morning, good morning. Let me look at news. WTO. Barometer report. Next news is at 10:30 a.m. in 29 minutes. In 19 minutes, excuse me. 19 minutes. 10:30 a.m. IEA natural gas change. Appreciate the follow, trading. This is a higher high on the NQ, higher low. Appreciate it, KJ. Good luck, good luck. If you can get the multi-screen adapter for the laptop, you can get it on Amazon. And you can, one laptop screen instead of just one, you can have 3 total. Trying to break out of that range. Think it's real. Let it go. Don't like the amount of risk I would put on taking along here. There's a potential it goes and wicks through the 22,585. There's also potential that creates a lower high here, breaks back down through the range. I think it's going to go up. ES is above the VWAP, above the 100 MA, above the 200 SMA.
Order filled.
Game with 2 short.
Order submitted.
We're going to be trailing this down a lot. Probably taking 1 at the 20 May test. Up 100, up 200, 2 contracts short. Leaving this at a 10-point stop. Giving it room. Appreciate you, KJ. This has a lot of momentum to the upside, but it did just create a lower high. So expecting this to flush the low. At least go to the 50% retracement. There's potential. Gonna give this time play out. Up 230, up 250, up 300. I'll take 1 out at the 20 May.
Order submitted.
A little before. Take profit at the 20 May for 1 contract. It may just coil here. May coil and shoot up. Nah, this is NQ futures, future indices of the NASDAQ. Okay, stop is going break even now, risk-free trade. So we're going to be stopped out and
Order filled.
stopped.
Order canceled. Order filled.
And with 2 contracts long, flipping bias. We'll see. It is a lower high. A lot of coil here though. Up 100, 115, 160. I like how the NQ5 man looks. It should drop here, but a lot of shoulds. Oh my God. Fair value gaps are not God. Yes, it could drop down. There's 3 fair value gaps to the downside. Yes, that is correct. Up 80, up 100, up 120. As soon as it breaks high, I'll put this break even. I want to see a wick to the high if possible. Has bullish momentum up 160, up 180.
Order submitted.
About to wick through the highs. Up 200. Putting stop break even. I want it to go, 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 go. Risk-free trade. All reward, no risk. It's just gonna chop around. Yeah, this is looking weak.
Order filled.
And stopped. Consolidating above that range, which is more bullish. No, chicken, I do not. This is the 2-minute chart. Oris, trade your own conviction. I'll trade mine. I'm not trading what you guys tell me to trade. Even if it comes right, I trade my own strategy. Sometimes you guys will be right, I'll be wrong, and it is what it is. ES create a lower high. And Q create a lower high. It should fall, to be fair. Should. Yeah, starting to round up. Video's coming up. This should have fell by now. It's probably above that range. Yes, create a higher high. Yeah, I think it's gonna flush the pre-market too good. 5-minute looking very good. Video coming up. Google up 0.5%. Amazon up 0.6. Microsoft up 0.6. Meta up 1.7%. Apple's down 0.7. MicroStrategy's down 0.7. This is why you guys don't listen to anyone else's conviction except your own. People are right sometimes, people are wrong sometimes. You need to hold your own conviction, trade your own strategy, hold your own risk. Everyone's in their own circumstances. Do not follow me, don't follow anyone else. Hold your own conviction. No one. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment, educational purposes only. Trade your own conviction, hold your own conviction. Hold your own risk, adopt your own risk strategy. Don't FOMO, don't overtrade. There are no missed opportunities, only the next one. ES is at the high of day, high of pre-market. Good luck, trades. Good luck with that, Giannis. Are you actually in a funded account or demo? I'm assuming it's a funded. Look. Let's look at news. News drops in 7 minutes. Fear and Greed Index came out for the stock market, 61 out of 100 greed. Fear and Greed Index for crypto came out, 74 out of 100 greed. Next news for the docket in 7 minutes, 10:30 a.m. EIA natural gas change. At 11 a.m. EST, Kansas City Fed manufacturing. Okay. Yeah, me too, Mark. Me too. I was on both ends of this. Could have taken out around 1,000, but decided to put trades break even, let them run. And is what it is. Not gonna get mad at break even trades, because it is what it is. Alright, good luck, Giannis. So we may flush this high. ES is already flushed the pre-market high, day high in the market as well. Pre-market high for the NQ at 22,585. Let's see. We are still gapped up 110 points. Yesterday's close was at 22,461. Video is now up 1.3%. It's just grinding up. PayPal CEO creating real stablecoin use cases for customers. 4 minutes till news. 10:30 a.m. EST EIA EIA natural gas change. Excuse me. EIA natural gas change in 4 minutes. Just grinding up. What's up, Milad? Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Greetings from the US. 85% of you are not subscribed. If you have not already, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. A lot of value. Very rare to see actual trading live. Most traders are doing videos for a reason. Gotta stay patient, chat. No internet for 14 days, Milad. Holy. Holy. Wow. Where do you live, Milad? I'm assuming near Israel or Iran. Assuming in the Israel. True, Michael, true. Michael said, how can you survive without internet for 14 days? I can barely survive a day. Not wrong. Alright, this music has to go. I think it's just gonna wick up. Could drop here, but I think it's gonna wick up. Could just slowly keep grinding up as well, but one minute till news. Probably get a wick up. I'll be in short. I'm in here up 330 so far. Booming in this chat. Booming. Stay disciplined. There are no missed opportunities. Just focus and catch the next one. I like how you're adopting your own saying from a little reversion of mine. I like that. 30 seconds. Appreciate you, Todd. Appreciate you, Bruce. I see you, Bruce. See you, Todd. See you, Milad. I see you, Bruce. See you, Todd. See you, Mark. See you, Milad. Got Michael in the stew. Cooking in the booth. You don't need to go to private education. We are living proof. Mess around and you'll lose a tooth. It was an homage to you, brother, because it's truth. Appreciate it, Todd. What's up, Kink? We haven't yet tapped the high of pre-market at 22,585. Yep, news did just dropped. It's not really that serious, but it is news nonetheless. EIA natural gas change, BCF actual 96 billion, forecast to be 87 billion. So it is positive. It's actually negative, excuse me. Negative. But it's only EIA natural gas change. Next news is at 11 a.m. This one is a little bigger. Kansas City Fed Manufacturing, Kansas City Fed Composite Index. That one's going to affect the market a little more. A little bit more. A little more meaningful. And there it is. I'm in with 4 contracts short. Little over heavy, but I'm willing to take it. Very nice spike up. Way through the highs. Up 170. I'll probably get 2 of these out once it taps the high again. Up 200, up 300. Looking for the drop to that green line and test it. So far, just climbing up. Up 200, about to take 2 out. Little more drop. Little more drop. Up 250. Up 300. 4 contracts short. Wants to continue the climb. Waiting for the drop to that green line. The downside. Pumping up. Trying. Hitting a key level on the ES as well. A lot of resistance here. Down 100, down 150, 4 contracts short. Up 100, up 130, up 200, up 250, up 300. About to take 2. A little more wick, a little more wick, a little more wick. Taking 2 off. Okay, beautiful. I'm willing to hold this. Up 200, up 3. Willing to hold this for a little ride. I will put this risk free though. Stops break even, up 380, up 400. We're locking in around 250 regardless. I'm using one right now, Jonathan. I want to see a wick down of this 21 EMA. If possible. Up 400, up 500. Okay, moving stop right below the green line. Right above it, excuse me. And it bounced all that trend line. I want to see a quick wick down to this 21 EMA. I want to see a quick wick down. Securing 7 points. Appreciate it, Todd. Up 400 or 500. Leaving stop. Well, it's going to move stop to the high wick, but just leaving it. I like the possibility of this wicking down, so I'm going to take it. Now I'm moving stop to the high wick, a little above it. Not going to put it too tight just yet. It's breaking through that range. Very nice. Want to see a little more drop before I move it to the high. Securing 9 points. Appreciate it, Soph. Up 650, 2 contracts short. What's up, fun? Giving this room. Not too much, but giving it room. I want to see it fall to the 20 May. See it flush down. It is possible. Also could go down to the 50% fib, but may pop up here and stop us out. And 1 point away, 1 point away. 1 point away from being stopped. Very volatile. Dropping. 1 point away from being stopped. Flush all the way down. Let's go, baby. Moving stop to the pivot point. I mean, right above the range. Excuse me. Up 700. 2 contracts short. I want it to flush down right here and may find support. Securing 12 points. Flush down to 20 May. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Flush, 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 flush. Securing more. Tight stop. Giving it room, but trailing it tight. Giving it room, but trailing it tight. Up 800. About to be stopped and... stopped out. Made 789 that account. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. We'll look to re-enter the short once it creates a lower high. It's finding some support. ES rounding up. Apple's down 0.8% still. Tesla's now down 0.2%. Google's up 0.4%. Amazon's up 0.9%. Microsoft's up 0.7%. Meta is up 1.5% on the day. Nvidia's up 1.3%. The Dow's up 0.65%. Appreciate it, Nicholas. Bruce, I trade with 150k take profit and 300k Apex, but the Apex counts are getting phased out. I'm getting rid of them. I'm only gonna have take profit count soon. Appreciate the follow, Stefan. Appreciate the follow, Sophia. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, I agree, Bruce. I agree. I concur. I concur. NQ's up 0.5%. ES is up 0.51%. Bitcoin is up 0.2%. Let's look for news. Okay, chat. It's hesitating. Hesitating. Let's see. Yeah, I'll be looking to step in along once the NQ 5-minute taps that 20 May, if it does. NQ 30 May looking a bit weak. But the consensus we've held today has came to fruition pretty well. Pretty well. It did both things I thought it was going to do today, and we executed pretty good. Decent amount, Nicholas, but thankfully I learned in other ways before I stepped in the future prop firm arena. I was trading regular stocks before that. I went into crypto a bit, a lot of harder environments, options, a lot of harder environments. So 720 May. Yes, coming lower. But decent amount still, Nicholas, with all that half a decade experience, still blew some accounts when getting into this. And still continue to blow some. It's also been some crazy market days. But can't really make that excuse too much. Can point out though, we're getting a bounce on the 20 May. Was. I'm trading the NASDAQ future indices right now. Future indices of the NASDAQ. If you guys haven't already, make sure you smash that like button, follow the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell after you subscribe. I'm live every single day at 9:30 a.m. EST for market open. And if you want a better perspective, if you're on the YouTube short stream, you can come over to the regular YouTube stream. Click my profile. I'm streaming on YouTube and YouTube Shorts. The regular YouTube stream has NQ 2-minute, NQ 5-minute. You can see the accounts and their profits. It's just a better perspective, in my opinion. And if you want it, click my profile and go to the regular YouTube stream. It's the one with the thumbnail. What's up, Ninja? Good morning, good morning, good morning. $21 EMA. 21 EMA. What does 21 May mean? 21 EMA, the OCD. It's the exponential moving average. I also have the simple moving average and regular moving average as well. It's just a indicator to just gauge how everything's moving, which way the trend's going, and the 21 EMA is kind of a short version of that. And I just gauge it off bounces, rejections, and it's just an easy way. So 21 means 21 days. So it's based off 21 days in the stock market, and then you could do exponential moving average, which is the 21 EMA. I have the green line on that chart, 21 EMA, or you can do the SMA simple moving average, which I have right here. This purple line, 200 SMA on both the NQ 30-minute, ES 1-minute, and then I have the 100 MA. 100-day moving average, and then I have the VWAP, then I have the 50 MA, I believe, and 20. Which portfolio you use, Binance or BitGet? Neither. Central 15-minute orb entry. Trying to reject right now. What's the difference? Exponential moving average just takes into account more volatility, and it's simple moving average. It's better if I just look it up. I'm gonna butcher it. I'm going to butcher it hard. In the bounce on the 20, man. I just want a synopsis. What is this? Me a synopsis. Let's go. Here we go. SMA is straightforward, equally weighted, and best for stable long-term trends. EMA is more responsive, prioritizing recent data, ideal for short-term, more volatile markets. MA is the umbrella term for encompassing both, with specifics depending on the variant used. That is a very good synopsis. So basically, you can think of SMA, long-term, EMA, short-term. So simple, long-term, exponential, short-term. Then MA is a combination of both. So you can see the extremes and the middle. News is king. News overrides everything. But yes, I use this. I use higher highs, higher lows, trend lines, fibs. I use the ATR. I gauge the trends in the stocks, the percentages going up and down, seeing which way everything's moving. I use an amalgamation of everything. Everything I can get a statistical advantage, I use that I think is worth using, to be fair. 11 a.m., 12 minutes away to the Kansas City Fed. I am so missing being able to trade with you. Computer still not fixed. No way, Norman. It said 10 days. Dude, it's been like 25 days. There's no shot. No shot. How much longer did they say, Norman? No way. How long did the laptop store say? Norman lives on an island, to be fair, but that's why it's taking him. They said 10 days to repair the laptop or get a new one. I forget which, to be fair. 3rd of July, are they kidding? Wow. Well, you have a very good opportunity to take a very long week. Not a weekend, a week. You can get started actually longer. When's the next day? July 7th, right? So July 3rd, we're not going to be here. It's only a trading day till 1 p.m. I'm just going to take a long weekend. So we're going to trade next week. We're going to trade today, the 26th, tomorrow, the 27th, and then next week, the 30th, the 1st of July, 2nd of July. I'm not going to be here the 3rd, 4th, and then the 5th is Saturday, 6th is Sunday, and then I may even take the 7th off. I doubt it. But that would be 4-day weekend at least for me. But you have the opportunity to take literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days off. Wow. 6 trading days off and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 11 days total. That is brutal. Oh, I would go insane. I would actually go insane. I would be so tilted. Oh, I'd be fuming. I'd be fuming hard. No problem, Norman. Enjoy your 11-day time off. You have a lot of time to focus on whatever you need to do. Obviously, you probably at work as well, but you have a lot of time to do whatever you want. Prep for trading, get away from trading, do something creative. You can find positivity in everything. God has his way for a reason. Maybe he's saving you from blowing a lot of accounts, wasting a lot of money. And then you're going to come back, kill it. Who knows? You can always find the positivity, guys. You just gotta search for it. There's a silver lining in everything.
Order filled.
It was too short. And Q create a lower high, may start uptrend. NQ 5-minute did bounce all the 20 May. I'm not gonna believe it. Down 100, down 175, down 200, 2 contract short. NQ 30-minute can go either way. ES can go either way. Honestly, this is probably gonna bait everyone around. This is probably gonna consolidate for a while, but obviously I hope that it just wicks down. That would be nice. God always has a plan. Exactly, Logan. Appreciate them wise words. God always has a plan from Logan. Exactly. About to test the 20 May. You never know what it might bring. ES starting to pop up. We'll see. EQ create a lower high. This could be a higher low. Pump it up. All-time high in the stock market today is 22,597. ATR is at 14. We have news in 7 minutes. This is not little news either. This is the Kansas City Fed Manufacturing Kansas City Fed Composite Index. This is not little news by any means. 6 minutes till that news. I would like this to just tank down 100 points real quick. Just quick wick. Just, you know, a simple 100 points, you know. Nothing major, guys. Just 100 point wick down real quick, you know. Just straight back up. Just get both sides. I'm not asking much here, you know. Down 200, down 300, 2 contract short. Appreciate the follow, Stefan. Appreciate you guys. Five minutes till that news. Looks like it's about to tap the 20 May. Probably instantly going to get out if it flushes these lows at 22,555. Lows here, if it just wicks down, that'd be nice. I'll probably take it out right below it. Getting a bounce on the 20 May. Yes, trying to go higher. Nice bounce. Four minutes, chat. Want to see rejection this 20 May right now. We'll see a wick below the lows at 22,550, up 50. Tapping the 20 May. KJ. Very bullish wicks. Very bullish wicks. I think it's going to drop, but very bullish wicks. You cannot deny it. Bounce over the 20 May. NQ create a higher high, higher low, lower high. Now possibly a higher low. See. 3 minutes till that news. Probably going to be in it. Hopefully it rejects the 20 May before that. Nah, we may wake up to the 22,597. Not the end of the world. We'll be playing it very aggressive. Really looks like it wants to bounce. Could just be faking everyone long, consolidating, and then drop it down. This is a lower high, to be fair. See if I can predict those. Bang. Ready for this? Two minutes. Too many OTs. Clean up the chart a bit. One minute. Make sure you guys finalize your votes in the poll too. Vote profitable if you're profitable for today. Vote negative if you're down negative for today. And vote learning if you're just watching learning. Profitable if you're profitable. Negative if you're negative. Learning if you're just watching learning. We are going to be in this trade during news. Unless this wicks down our points right now, which I won't mind. Just trying to reject the 20 May. Still bouncing. We are 1 minute away. 40 seconds away. 40 seconds away, chat. 30 seconds. It's not little news like the EIA. The Kansas City Fed Manufacturing Composite Index. We're in it. Up 80, up 100. Let's try and reject the 20 May. 10 seconds. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe delayed. Let's see. Could be delayed. Wait. Trying to come down. Little spike of volatility, nothing much. Trying to get above that range. Tesla's coming up. Down 140, down 150, down 200. 2 contracts short. Trying to get above that range. I want to see rejection at 20 May. I think we're going to prop up. What did this Fed come in at? I don't see this Fed news yet. I think it's delayed. Believe it's delayed news, so this may take a couple minutes. Wick down, 20, 30 points. Let's go, wick down. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Kansas City Fed actually just came in. Composite index, -2. Forecast to be -5. So that's positive. Let's see what the Fed manufacturing comes in at. Down 300, 2 contracts short, wicking above that range. Down 10 points. Pretty good resistance right here.
Order filled.
And with 4 contracts short, looking for a pullback at least to the trend line. Dow will get it. And Q30 match is looking really good, but we're going to play this very aggressive. Very aggressive. There's a lot of resistance that has to push through, and I believe it actually will. We'll see. Down 6 points. Kansas City, Fed manufacturing 5. Previously it was -10. So that news is positive. Let's see. Down 600, down 700, 4 contracts short. Down 6 points. ES trying to come down. Tesla's coming up. May flush that high. Market high, 22,597. It did for the ES. Probably gonna wake up. NQ5 man looking very good. NQ30 man looking very good. ES trying to come up. Nothing today, Ahmad. We're down 700 in the trade though. Yeah, it's coming up. Yeah, we're getting a little pullback. We'll see, Logan. Possibly. I know that the market knows that everyone thinks this is going to flush the high of day on the NQ, so I'm thinking they want to do manipulation down. That's the only reason I'm holding this. We'll see. A lot of resistance that has to break through to the upside, even though it doesn't look like it. May cut those. I do believe this weakness, but I may. I'll give it a chance.
Order submitted.
But we will put a stop. Stop at 10 points. I can't give it too much. I think it's going down, but can't play around. Give it some room. It's pumping up. Yeah, we'll be down 800 in the account. High risk, high reward. We're very profitable today, even though we just took that $800 loss, Chris. Do you ever trade minis? This is mini contracts. I think you meant micros. It'll probably tank down now, watch. It's only drawdown, Chris. Only drawdown. I like your name, by the way. It's gonna wait down 80 points right here. Ready? Washington will recognize some Israeli sovereignty over the West Bank. Oris, these are prop firm accounts. Hey, how does the prop firm thing work? You just do a challenge and then they fund a U account. Yeah. Buy a 150K account, you need to reach a max profit profit goal of 9K. So you need to reach a total account balance of 159,000. Now, you cannot get over half of that profit target in one day. So you can't make over 4,500 one day. Now that is the take profit rules. So you need to make 9K and then you get a funded account. And then if you're good enough, you get a live account. No problem, Chris. Not really, Logan. Funded account is still simulation trading. But if you get above the drawdown, then you can cash out. I have a couple funded accounts, Oris. But most of these are evals. Exactly, Mark. Yep. Just have to follow the rules. What do you mean, Lobo? What do you mean? Well, the goal is not to pay that twice, Mark. And I very rarely do. Only way I'll do that is if it's like 1,000 away from getting funded. But sci-fi. buy prop firm accounts with real money. You trade the prop firm, you pass the rules, then you get a funded account. Then once you reach above a certain threshold, you can get a payout. Is that real money trading to you, or is it not? You decide. No problem, Mark. Todd, I don't have goals for daily goals for trading. Bad mentality keep. You get close to that goal, you start FOMOing, you start getting greedy, you lose a little bit, then you start chasing losses, you start chasing that goal more and more, then you're over trading, you're FOMOing. It's a bad recipe. I do not trade with goals. I trade the execution, not the result. Trade the execution, not the result. The website is Take Profit Trader, but I really don't want to say them because they're just getting free usage of codes without making me an affiliate. That's why they haven't made me an affiliate yet, because they're just banking off me saying this. But the 150k accounts are TPT and 300k accounts are Apex, but I'm getting rid of the Apex. In the next 2 weeks, we will have 0 Apex. Unless we get one of these funded. Most of these are evals, Mo. Most of them. Appreciate it, Todd. Yep, Morphe. The past 30 minutes have been very bad price action.
Order filled.
Entering one short, a little late. So only one. A 40, a 50. May bounce right off this high, continue up. Bitcoin is about to flip red, up 90. Holy. Holy. Next news is in 14 minutes. US 4-week bill. I really don't care about it. At 1 p.m., White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt is speaking, and we have US 7-year high note. Let me make sure I didn't miss any news. U.S. Treasury to auction $79 billion in 3-month bills on June 30th to sell July 3rd. Looking for a Trump tweet. Funny, you can have 5 funded accounts maximum. Or that's live accounts. I believe that's funded. You can have as many evals as you want. Okay, my personal number 1 is TPT, Take Profit Trader. But that's my personal favorite. Everyone trades their own. Some people trade Express, Top Step, Tradeify. Tradeify had bad news recently though, to be fair. Everyone has their own. Some people trade Apex. I'm getting rid of my Apex. But number 1 in the industry so far to me personally is TPT. Down 70. All right. Morphe, the Patrick Whelan tanked his affiliate with Tradeify yesterday because they were promoting a scammer, Jay Dunn, supposed scammer, alleged scammer Jay Dunn, all allegedly on their Tradeify live trading stream or whatever, and Patrick Whelan just went off. So there's some negative press. Every prop firm has sales. That is the marketing gimmick. 30% off, 50% off, no activation fee, percent off with activation fee, etc., etc. I've heard too many bad things about Apex.
Order filled.
And with 2 contracts short. Well, that quick withdrawals, 1-day withdrawals master, but that and Apex has a lot of bad press about them not paying out, canceling eval accounts, and a lot of rules. A lot more. Appreciate the follow, 4x. Appreciate you guys. Down 140, down 130, 2 contracts short. Man, before stream, during trading, I would just be listening full blast to pretty much rap music. Lil Baby. I'll put some Kanye on. Morgan Wallen, country. Just full blast music. Now, it's a little like harder to stay attentive because of this very low beat music. I mean, you kind of get into a low tempo rhythm and you're not as I don't know how to describe it, like you're just calmer with this music, but it is kind of hurting my soul. Yeah, right, Stunner. Doja Cat, yeah, right. Up 100, up 80. ES tanking. Looking for this break through the range. I'll take one at the 20 May. It could just continue up. Good. Up 150, up 170, 2 contract short. Appreciate it. Follow, let it be. If you guys have not already, make sure you smash that like button, follow the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. I'm live every day at 9:30 a.m. EST for market open. 9:30 a.m. EST for market open. So smash that like button if you're gaining value, learning what to do, what not to do. We're up to 40. We're up to 50. It's tapping the previous high. I want to see it break through this range. Possibly a wick down to the 20 May. I would like 10 to 20 points here. See, if it can't break through this range, it's going to continue to prop up. Yes, kind of wants to come lower. Still in this range though. Want to see a wick down. And is on the hotkey, ready to go. And a little support off the previous high. Trying to break that range. Up 200. Markets are not going to be open on the 4th, and they're only going to be open on the 3rd. 3rd of July till 1 p.m. EST. 1 p.m. EST. Markets are going to be open on the 3rd of July. 1 p.m. EST only. Then they're closed the 4th, obviously, for Independence Day. But I'm also taking July 3rd off as well. I'm going to take that 4-day weekend. Up to 50. I want to see it break. Want to see it break that range. Go all the way down to the 20 May if possible.
Order submitted.
Ready to drive the stop down, break even when it breaks this range. Starting to break it. Let's see if it can. Up 250, up 260, up 300, 2 contract short. Trying to break the range. Giving it room. Yeah, moving stop, break even. 330. 340. We'll see a flush down to 20 May. I'm holding conviction. I should take one because ES bounced off a very key level that's gonna prop it up a little bit, but okay, it's tapping that range. I want to see reject right here. May get stopped out. Is what it is. No risk on. This would be the 3rd break-even trade that got stopped out. I would not like it, but it is what it is. I'm holding conviction. And on the hotkey, ready for this to wick down. Up 400, 2 contract short. Wicking down, wicking down, wicking down. Looking for it to go to the 20 May. I'll take it. 450, up 500. Looking for the wick down. Looking for it to go down. Up 500, up 600. 2 contracts short. Yes, it's bouncing off that pivot point. And taking it. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Made 618 on that account. Beautiful. ATR is at 10. Scalping 618. Low ATR, low volatility. I think it's going to tank a lot more. We'll look to re-enter the short if it creates a higher low. If it bounces off this 20 MA, creates a lower high. I meant lower high. We'll re-short those. Besides that, we'll just let it go. Let it go all the way down. Clean up the chart. Appreciate it, Chris. Appreciate it, KJ. This is a trade where I should have 4. Took in 2 there and let 2 trail. Really dislike holding trades in low volatility though, to be fair. But I really need to start doing that. This one's a little but obviously would have worked out. AQ 30 minute, very top heavy. Missed out on 20 more points. But guess what? There are no missed opportunities, only the next one. Boom, 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 boom. No missed opportunities, only the next one. I believe so, Michael. I like how fast that just came down. I like it. Wish it would have did it like 20 more points. Oof. Wish it would have just did that at 20 more points. Little more severe of a wick. That was news. That was US 4-week bill. Tesla executive and Musk confidant Amit Savardi departs company. Brussels has warned Germany Chancellor Merz not to expect UK-style carve-out for car sector and EU deal with Trump. Okay. Fed bids for 4-week bills total 251 million. Appreciate you pointing that out, Michael. I read it before I saw that, but I appreciate you. Definitely need to stay up to date with news. News is the majority indicator. News is king. News is king. Fib rejecting the 61.8% fib. We have the pivot point at 22,542. ES rejecting the 100 MA, coming down to the 200 SMA and VWAP. Q5 minute below the 20 MA. See. What do you mean, KJ? What are you talking about? I do not see that, KJ. Next news is at 1 p.m. Looking for this to go a little higher. Testing the 20 minute now.
Order
I'll
filled.
send one in short. Looking for this to go a little higher. Looking for this to flush a little higher, then tank down. A little more, a little more, a little more, a little more. A little more, a little more. Tiny bit more. Just needs a little bit more wick up. Tiny bit higher. I don't know if we're gonna get it.
Order
Adding one more. Adding one more there, and with 3 short. Looking for it to reject here. Could keep pumping. Looking for the rejection here. Could keep pumping, probably above that range. First one, second one, down 300. ES tapping a pretty pivotal point right now. So it either rejects hard, continues going. Down 100, down 200, down 300, 3 contracts short. Want to see a rejection off the ES, rejection off here. These are ranges. Want to see a quick rejection through the 20 May. We'll see. NQ30 May looking better. NQ5 May looking better. We'll see. Wow. Anyone else see the news KJ is talking about Elon Musk was involved in a physical altercation with the U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent in the White House, according to reports? Down 400, down 500.
Order
Adding one more in with 4 contracts short. Could do a full V-shaped recovery. Probably above the ranges. See. Down 10 points. Yeah, it's pulling back a little bit. Maybe it should have been a little more aggressive. We'd be out. Okay. We'll look to get 2 out the 20 May, potentially. ES is pulling back exactly where we wanted it to. Up 60. Needs to break through this range. Need to break through the 20 May. Currently trying to bounce. Video's trying to come lower. Good bounce, do a full V-shape recovery. Oris, you said it was gonna drop earlier and then it just waked up. Did not drop, my friend. Appreciate you trying to learn though. Down 700, down 800, 4 contracts short.
Order filled.
And with 2 more and with 6 contracts. Down 4 points. We need Nvidia to pull back, which is kind of looking a little weak. Yes, trying to come down. We're gonna start stepping it up. Fair value gaps do not matter. Just going to say it. They're just one indicator. And with 6 contracts short, down 700, ES is looking weak to be fair. Need Nvidia to prop down. ES is propping above that key level. It's not looking hot. And it's not looking hot. KJ, Elon said Scott Besson was a fraud or the inverse? Down 7 points. I use everything, Obscure. I use everything. Down 1100, down 1200, down 10 points. Look at news.
Order filled.
And with 10 contracts short. Could flush the high. I want it to pull back at least to the 20 May. ES trying to come down. Down 300, down 400, down 500. We need Nvidia to pull back. Does not want to pull back. Big cojones. A lot of risk. A lot of risk on this trade. This is the riskiest trade of the day so far. I'm not fully loving it because how close we are to that high. And if it goes that high, this count is gone. Needs to break through this range right now. Break through the range. Break down. Up 5. Trying to break it. Like a wick down to the 20 May. Up 50, up 100, up 200. A little more. Taking 2 off. A little more. Want to see at least it go down to the 20 May, at least. Wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down. Down. $15-point pullback. It's most likely going to wick up to the highs. Down 400, down 500. Co-acid, stop spamming. You can have your opinion, you can backseat, don't spam. Two more messages in a row and you will be banned. Down 4 points. We're about to wick to the high. 22,611. About to wick. Bumbleclot. If it pulls back now, I doubt it will, but it will be a lower high on NQ. Need a video to pull back. Does not want to. Down 400, down 300, 6 contracts short. Down 4 points. Like a wick down, but we're so close to that high. See? Needs to break through this range with conviction. Most likely gonna wake up, but there's a chance this drops. ES has been playing around with this pivot point. Up 80. Want to see it drop to 20 May, I'll close it. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Go. 140, 500, 400. Up 400, up 500, 6 contracts short. Drop, 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 drop. A little more. Wick down, and good enough. All that for 500. Woo, woo, woo. 493. Should have trailed too, but yeah. Well, risk 1/3 of the count. Really wasn't in anywhere close to being blown. We have 4,500 drawdown for people who actually know what they're doing. And we only got up to around 1,200, 1,500. Now, I'm sure, I'm not even looking at the chat, but I can just guess. R&R, risk reward, R&R, R&R, the R&R. Keep crying. Anyone who's enjoying the stream, very high risk trade, very high risk trade. I honestly expected that to break the 20 May and come down, create a lower high. Technically is a lower high, but it got really close to the high of day at 22,611. So if you're enjoying the stream, smash the like button, follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We're live every single day at 9:30 a.m. EST for market open. And very, 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 very green day today. Very green day. Only one losing trade today. The trade in the beginning we lost, but we gained all that back, and we finished in that account up 189. Only account we're down in is an Apex account. We're down in one Apex account, $700, $800. I really don't care about it, but you guys can take it on as a loss. 2, 4, 6, 8 green accounts for one negative. I'll take it. Every day of the week. Appreciate it, Luke. Great hold and sticking to your analysis. Appreciate the killer. No, it's a lower high. Higher high, lower low, lower high. Now it's bouncing to all-time highs. About to hit the all-time high in the stock market today. It's about to hit it. Current stock market high is right there at that green line. Just hit it. Not even 40 minutes ago. 22,611. Close out flat mark. Oof. We currently have one account close to fund it. That is the one with 156. That's 3K away. Okay, good job, Mark. Good job. Just make sure you guys are trading your own conviction. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Hold your own conviction, hold your own strategy, maintain your own risk. You are in different circumstances, different net worth. This is for entertainment, educational purposes only. Don't FOMO, don't overtrade, and there are no missed opportunities, only the next one. There are no missed opportunities, only the next one. Only the next one. Patience, patience, patience. Appreciate the follow, Tail. Appreciate you guys. Going good, Cedri. How are you doing? How are you doing? Make sure you guys finalize your votes. We're about to take a look. Good job, Master. Good job, Mastermind. Yeah, it's a lot to learn, KJ. I think this could have some downside, man. Seeing some negative divergence on the 15-minute. Yeah, that's why I went short and ended up in that. Thankfully, we were nowhere. Well, we got up to 10 contracts, so that was a little risky business, but we only hit a max drawdown of like 1,500. So we still had a lot of drawdown to go. Good job, Sadri. Sadri said, I did good today trading the DAX. I live in Europe and now it's 5:56 p.m. So the trading day for me is over. Good stuff. How much did you make? How much did you make? How much you up? How much you down? Are you trading simulated? Are you trading regular funds? I'm assuming regular funds. It's looking like, let's take a look at what you guys are doing for today. A lot of people thought this was going down. Good luck, Mark. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. Hopefully you do not get stopped out, my friend. I wasn't really talking, master. Mastermind. Mind of master. Master of matter. Controller of darkness. Yeah, I don't know where I was going with that, but yep. Yep. Targeting 592. You made 135 points in the DAX. I traded my own capital. Very nice job, Sadri. Good job. ES wicking up. ES is just climbing. Mark got stopped out. Look at this ES consolidated above the around this key pivot point, wicked straight through it. The Williams R 120 day getting into overextension territory. RSI getting above the MA, and now in the NQ 30 minute getting into overextension territory. Williams R 120 day overbought. NQ is currently up 0.75%. ES is up 0.6%. The dollar's down 0.5% on the day. VIX volatility index is down 2.4%. The Dow is up 0.72%. Nvidia is up 0.75%. Tesla is up 0.25%. Google is up 1.2%. Amazon's up 1.85%. Microsoft's up 0.5%. Meta is up 2.1%. Apple is down 0.75%. Netflix is up 1.75%. MicroStrategy's down 0.25% on the day. Palantir is up 1.6%. GME is up 0.9%. Costco is up 0.9%. Alibaba is down 0.7%. AIMCO is up 1.5%. AMD is up 0.1% on the day. QCOM's up 1%. Adobe's flat. And Voyager, the new IPO on the NASDAQ stock market, new IPO, Voyager Technologies, up 11.8% on the day. Bitcoin is flat. Signing in too short. I believe it's going to continue up a little bit. Looking for a little pullback. Little pullback. May go to the high of the range. We'll see. Clean up the chart a little bit. Down 150, down 130. Down 50, down 80, down 100, 2 contracts short. Down 150. ES is above the VWAP, 200 SMA, 100 MA.
Order filled.
And with 3 contracts. I use about everything I can. News is king, obviously, so I keep tracking the news. I look at the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart, 5-minute chart. Look how the NQ 30 minutes doing, NQ 5 minute, etc. 200 SMA, VWAP, 100 MA, and just look at price action. Look at the overall trend of stocks in the market: Nvidia, Apple, Mag 7, others. Up 50, up 65. So what's up? What's up? Up 50, up 100, 3 contract short. What's up, Shivam? Trading today, Shivam. R40. Very good. Very, very, very good. Looks like it wants to bounce right here. Like a wick down to the 20 May, that'd be beautiful. I doubt we'll get all the way there. One swoop down. Up 200, up 250, 3 contract short, up 300, up 380. Appreciate you. Same to you, Sandra. Appreciate you. Appreciate the kind words. Thank you. 30 minute looks like it's coming down. Up 400. Little lower. I want to see it come down lower. May take some time. ATR is at 11. ATR is at 11. May take some time. Wouldn't mind this wick down to 20 May real quick. 20 point wick down real quick. Just, you know, do it. Up 380, up 400, up 450. 3 contracts short. Go, chat. Let's go, chat. You guys smash that like button. Let's go. We're in it. Does not want to drop. Not want to drop. Freddie Mac 15-year fixed rate mortgage average 5.89 as of June 26th. Senate Republican leader Thune, the timing of Senate vote on tax bill is still to be determined. Freddie Mac US 30-year rate fixed mortgage 6.77% June 26th. Came down a little bit. Trump to appear on Fox News Sunday morning. Amazon executive leaves web service unit AWS, who oversaw generative AI efforts. Every now and then, chicken. Every now and then. There is some divergence between the ES and NQ every now and then. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Go. Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down. Let's go. Wick down. All I'm asking, 21 EMA. I could be greedy and go for 22,588. The 21 EMA on the NQ5 minute chart. Not being greedy. Wick down, quick 20 points. Let's go. Down, wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down. Reject, reject. Wick down. Let's go. Gain a bounce. King Crusher, you can use a copy trader. I decided to trade one account at a time for risk. Wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down. Down, wick down. Let's go. Up 500, up 530, up 540, up 600. Down. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go. Waiting for the wick to the 20 May. At least close to it. Type in that range. Could pop here. Being very stubborn. ATR's at 11 though. Gotta give these trades time. Wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down. Up 500, up 600. 3 contracts short. Go. Trying to bounce. ES trying to bounce. And Q trying to bounce. Trying to stay in this range. Want to see it pull back to the 20 May. The NQ 2 minute. May take a little before. Wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down, wick down. Up 400, up 500, 3 contracts short. Down, go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Drop, drop. No more. 10 points. Being very stubborn, ATR at 11. You know where you want to go. Wick down, let's go. Down, down, down. We go all the way to the 21 EMA. Yes, 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 we go. Down, here we go. Yes, 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 here we go. Down, down, here we go. 21 EMA. 21 EMA. Are we gonna test this 21 EMA? Been in the trade for 2468 minutes. A 500 up 600, 3 contracts short. Waiting for the wick. Waiting for the wick down. Wants to do it. Wants to do it. I'm out here. It's gonna do it, but I gotta take 600. I can't keep waiting. Oh, it was worth the storyline though. Oh, well, it's gonna wick down in 30 seconds. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any minute. Any minute. Just wait for it. Wait for it. It's faking everyone long. Just wait for it. Just wait. Low ATR markets. Woo, 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 woo. Just wait. Still 10 seconds left in that 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1.5, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, 0.2, 0.1, 0.001, 0.00001, 0.00001. About to wick down. Any minute, any minute. Appreciate it, KJ. Appreciate it, Sido. It has to go to 20 May. It doesn't have to, but it has to, you know? Oof. As soon as I say that, AQ5 man pumping up, ES pumping up. Could be fake. Manipulation out. Manipulation is sending us down. Could be. Let's go here. Appreciate the file, LJ. Will, might, should, have. Wick. Reject, pull back. Danger zone. 9 points away from the 20, man. What are you talking about, King? We scout 547 on that. Yeah, that's right, KJ. I see trade said M pump. He jinxed it. Don't worry. Dance will get it. The dance will get the wick. This is the money dance. No one knows about this. It's about to wick down the 20 May right now. Grinding the cheddar. We haven't pulled this stop out in a while. It's about to wick down the 20 May. Watch. Watch and learn. Market's too slow. It'll eventually do it. Maybe 10 minutes from now. I did the dance. It's in there. It's in there. I can feel it. Market's being so stubborn. It's trying to hit it with no rubber. That's all I got. Market's being so stubborn. It's trying to hit it with no rubber. No, she don't want to become no mother. Just a mother blubber. Pass the stuff over there when it's in your underwear. Yeah. Go somewhere with that. Looks like I'm gonna disrespect the FVG, so am I, and back down to the origins of the pulse for the sweep. Honestly, it's probably gonna tank down. I know with this experience, it usually chops a while, maybe start uptrending, then major wick down. Like I'm talking 100 points, 50 points, probably at least a 50% retracement on the fib. We'll see. Right now, it's just sharing it on YouTube for now, Sandri. Hopefully, I'm not butchering your name. Apologize if I am. I'm not that great with names. But I will eventually release the mentorship when it's good enough. I will release the simulator when it's good enough. And obviously revision, revise. Market is moving at snail's pace. Snail's pace. We put in a 4-hour and 20-minute live stream. Just a coincidence. Just a coincidence. You can pronounce it however you like. I don't feel offended. Appreciate you, Sandra. Sandri Japako. Chapagol. Now I'm going too far. Let's look at the docket for the rest of the day for you people who are still going to trade. You can be a little prepared. At 1 p.m., next news in 40 minutes, 1 p.m. EST, White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt speaking, U.S. 7-year high note, also at 1 p.m., and at 1:15 p.m., Fed Barr speaking. At 2 p.m. EST, Senate Iran briefing. At 4 p.m., when market closes, Trump is due to speak. At 4:15 p.m., Nike Q4 2025 earnings. Everyone asked the questions you want to know. I will answer them before ending the stream. We also have to take a look how you guys are ending. So finalize your votes. 1 is profitable. 2 is negative, 3 is learning. Vote profitable if you're profitable for today in trading. 2 negative if you're negative, and 3 learning if you're learning. Obviously. Tomorrow's news: 8:30 a.m. EST, U.S. consumer spending month over month. U.S. core PCE price index year over year. Price index month over month. PCE price index year over year. Index month over month. U.S. personal income month over month. Real personal consumption month over month. That all is happening at 8:30 a.m. tomorrow EST. At 9:15 tomorrow, Fed Hammock and Cook speaking. At 10 a.m. tomorrow, University of Michigan sentiment final. This is massive. University of Michigan 5-year inflation final, 1-year inflation final, expectations final, conditions final, all at 10 a.m. EST. And then at 1 p.m., I really don't care about this. I'm not really going to judge it. I don't expect too much volatility from it. But U.S. Baker Hughes total oil rig at 1 p.m. EST. Now, Trump is supposed to be on Fox News today as well. So that's somewhere in the docket. I'm guessing that's at 4 p.m. I'm guessing. You guys know the news for the day. Let's see where the markets are sitting. NQ is currently up 0.75%. ES is up 0.65%. Dollar's down 0.5%. VIX volatility index is down 2.27% on the day. Dow is up 0.8% currently. Nvidia is up 0.75%. Tesla is up 0.1%. Google's up 1.15%. Amazon's up 2%. Microsoft's up 0.67%. Microsoft's up 0.36% on the day. Meta's up 2.15%. Apple's down 0.5% on the day. Microsoft up 1.5% on the day. MicroStrategy down 0.4% on the day. Palantir up 1.6% on the day. GME up 1% on the day. Costco up 1% on the day. Alibaba down 0.6% on the day. AbeGo up 1.45% on the day. AMD up 0.3% on the day. QCOM up 0.9% on the day. Adobe down 0.2% on the day. Voyager Technologies new IPO on the NASDAQ is up 10% on the day. Bitcoin is sitting down 0.15% on the day. And we are currently at all-time highs at the NASDAQ. All-time highs in the stock market. All-time highs are at 22,632 for the NQ. I don't know about me, but I know about you. Alright, let's look where you guys are sitting. On the regular YouTube stream, a lot of people are negative today. That is surprising. Only 13 votes to be fair. 31% are profitable, 38% are negative, 31% are learning. Very shocking. And then 41 votes on the YouTube short stream. Finalize your votes. Finalize your votes. Get your votes in. I'll give you guys a minute. You come out however you like. If the candle forming closes above that previous down candle, that's going to be an up bat. Morningstar. Good luck, Williams. No, I have not, chicken. I have not watched Spectacular Seth. Above previous doji. Yep, Morningstar bet. Bet, bro. What's up, Chris? What's up, Century? I'm about to end, Century. How are you finishing on the day? Are you currently trading? Or are you just getting ready to trade? How are you doing? Let's go, Michael.
McKeel tipped $3.33. Green.
McKeel. I don't know why the TTS did that. McKeel, appreciate the support, man. Finishing green, eh? Yeah, very good trading today. I just came home from work, so I'm just getting started. ATR is very low, Century. Alright, this is enough. YouTube short, 42% are profitable, 14% are negative, 44% are learning. We are finishing very green today. Only one red account. We're down 700 in that one account compared to 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 accounts green. It is what it is. Century, next news to look out for at 1 p.m. EST in 34 minutes. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt and U.S. 7-year note. Beyond that, at 2 p.m. Senate Iran briefing, and then tomorrow stacked for news. It's pronounced Miguel in the Netherlands. Difficult to say, Miguel. Keep it up, man. Good day. Let's go for tomorrow. Do you have videos how you did your trades? The best video, Seidel, this live stream that's about to end will be posted in the live section on my YouTube account. All the lives are posted and you can rewatch it. I don't have the DVR on now, so it's real time, as real time as possible. If you put the DVR on, it starts getting delay. Let's do a Miguel. Come on, I'll start. Miguel. It really looks like we're going to come down. NQ is about to tap that 21 EMA. We have a pretty key pivot point. And also 50% retracement on the fib. Pretty key pivot point at 22,542. 22,542. All-time highs in the stock market. All-time high for the day is at 22,632. Morning, Isaiah. About to end. Hey, bro, it's AJ and new in trading. Can you guide me how to start? What I would personally do if I was just beginning, I can't give you any advice. I can say what I would personally do. I'm not a financial advisor. Can't give any financial advice. Do what is best for you. Hold your own conviction. Do your own trades. What I would personally do is simulate trade, demo trade, couple weeks, couple months, as long as possible. Record all your trading, introspect at the end of the day is what I would personally do. And Excel spreadsheet every single day, write a note, and just introspect, learn. Take an amalgamation of the best from the best. Whoever you want to watch, take the best from them. Yep, got that wick invalidated. It's a down, bro. Hey, you have the conviction, William. It's up to you. It's your conviction. I'm home earlier tomorrow, so I'll catch you for longer, hopefully. Yeah, I've been up for a while. I've been up since 10 p.m. And I have some things to do before I go to sleep. Or else I probably would stay for today. But I'll most likely stay all day tomorrow. Yeah. We'll stay all day tomorrow. Usually taking a 2.5 day weekend, but we'll stay all day. Since we're taking off on July 3rd, July 4th. So we'll stay all day tomorrow. I'll live stream all day tomorrow. Probably starting around the same time, 8 a.m. But if you guys enjoy the stream, notification bell after you subscribe. I'm live at every single day, 9:30 a.m. EST for market open. So subscribe and follow the channel. Appreciate AJ, appreciate you, Century, appreciate you, Williams, appreciate you, Isaiah, Miguel, appreciate you, Sido, appreciate you, Trey, it's Chris, Mastermind, Sadri, KJ. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.